media outlet thing?
Man, I don't even know. Yeah.
Like I won. He didn't even know he won.
What'd you say? Who was it?
You won the Boss Magazine 2009 Ohio Hip Hop Award. Congratulations. Yo, man, what's good, y'all? My bad. I just did a whole presentation and didn't even go live. So, without further ado, it's your boy, Dash Resource, a.k.a. Peanut, man. This is Sell Stocks Not Dope here every Sunday, 8 o'clock p.m.-ish, man. Shout out to my man, Stacker Smad, man. He was holding it down for me while I was off, you know what I mean? Observing my grandma's passing, man. Shout out to my grandma, man. It wasn't easy, you know what I mean? But thanks to a lot of people who've been praying for me, send me messages, man. I appreciate every single body who reached out to me, man. Everybody who reached out. Every single body. Even though I didn't respond back to you, I appreciate it, man. So without further ado, Sell Stocks Not Dope every Sunday, 8 o'clock p.m. I'm a little late, man, but I had that whole presentation. So without further ado, I should body it this time, but I got to run through it again. So let's talk crypto, man. The stock market been real volatile lately. Really volatile in the wrong way. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? You're seeing a retrace. You're seeing the stock market go back. But this ain't a part for you to panic. This is a time for you to be advantageous. You can either average down, buy more of the same stocks that you already have, or you can invest in something different. You know what I mean? Ain't nothing wrong with wiping your slate clean, starting all over, man. So, but if you are interested in inside crypto, you guys are in luck, man. Me and Smed is putting together a metaverse class, man. Me and Smed are coming together, joining forces to literally show you how to monetize the whole metaverse. What that means? We're going to cover how to do NFTs, how to sell NFTs, how to make money in the NFT world without actually creating NFTs. We're going to show you everything when it comes to that, show you how to purchase digital land. We're going to show you, digital real estate. We're going to show you how to monetize every single faction of the metaverse, man. So we're going to talk about stocks, we're going to talk about crypto, talk about NFT, and everything in between, man. So please stay tuned. That will be a pay-to-play kind of show. So I'm going to let you guys know, feel me? But without further ado, man, let's get to the meat and potatoes we're talking about. This is going to make you some easy money, man. Crypto.com, man. If you guys are not familiar with Crypto.com, it is a place like Robinhood, but it's for cryptocurrencies. You can literally buy cryptos on this platform. They also have their own token. What does that mean? That means they have their own currency. Now, you got to look at the moves that they've already made. A lot of y'all already are hip to that they already got the Lakers arena. So let's just move this thing around because I know y'all trying to see my ugly face. Let's get to the meat and potatoes here. Boom. So LeBron James teams up with Crypto.com to teach kids about blockchain. This is super dope because you're going to have kids that are going to get this way quicker than you are. Like I said before in a previous video, if you want to know what the metaverse is, what blockchain technology is, go watch your kids play Roblox, man. They already go over these same principles. So a lot of things they go over, and this is basically that the Los Angeles Lakers star is joining with Crypto.com to teach kids about blockchain technology. But he's not only doing that. He also has his own foundation, the LeBron James. Let me make sure I read it right. The LeBron James Family Foundation is now partnering with LeBron as well. So it ain't just him doing that. He's also partnering with, like when it comes to his school and stuff like that. This is super dope. As you know, they already have the $700 million stake in the Staples Arena. They have it for 20 years. All right, let me bring that home. For 20 years. So if you are scared that cryptocurrency ain't going to be around, why would the Lakers sign a 20-year deal to change the name of their arena? All right, so let's think about other places that have it, right? So let's look up another one really, really quick. Let me get the camera off my mug. All right, so let's go to another one real quick. Right here. Here we go. Yeah, this is where it details the 20 years, right? So this is super dope. As you know, the Lakers arena doesn't only house the Lakers. They also house the Clippers and the Kings and the Sparks, which is the WNBA team. This is very important because a lot of these people that are season ticket holders that were probably skeptical on buying cryptocurrency will probably more inclined to take that leap of faith to get into it. And if you are unsure what to buy, why wouldn't you buy crypto.com if you're inside the arena? And as your Uncle Dad's Resource always tells you, you know, if you shop at a certain place, if you get your gas at a certain place, you should buy that stock. So if you would think about getting cryptocurrency and you at the Lakers arena, why wouldn't you? If LeBron James is your favorite player, why wouldn't you support something he supports? He's not going to put his money into something that's going to waste his money. Lord knows. So these are things that I want you to look into, man. Let's go to another one. Oh, let's look up the actual price of the coin. I've already done the hard work for you. Look, boom, right there. It is now 41 cents. I remember when I jumped into this crypto.com, it was a fraction of a cent. So my money has already probably quadrupled, you know what I mean, at this point. You know what I mean? I won't say how much I had in there for my own safety reasons and yours. The Thule on deck. But anyway, so this is something that I think we should all be focusing on, man. If, as Nipsey Hussle said, what would happen if all our investments became strategic? I'll never forget him saying that. This is something we all can get behind. We all can start making money off of it if it's all coming together. And this is really what I'm trying to show y'all is that a lot of times, like I said, I mean, I have enough people watching my page. Enough people are tapping in. I've seen other bigger platforms steal my content. It's no big deal to me as long as we still making the same moves together. You know what I mean? I don't care if you take my daily picks and you sell them to somebody. Get your hustle up, man. Be a capitalist. Be a capitalist, right? So, I'm telling y'all right now, I'm doubling down on crypto.com. This is enough for me to tell you that cryptocurrencies are here to stay, man. Let me go to another thing really, really quick because I was thinking about this. It's on my mind, so I might as well show y'all. Let's go to do your Googles. Do your Googles, homie. It's coming right up. Here we go. 76ers. So a lot of y'all probably don't be paying attention or nothing like this. Let's go to images. Oh, there we go. Let me put y'all on. So let me put y'all on real quick. So a lot of y'all may not be paying no attention to stuff, but maybe some of y'all are. You know what I mean? Like some of y'all are kind of smart. So if you are just looking around at this arena, right? Eventually you're going to notice. Come on now, don't make me look stupid. Here we go. Crypto.com is a new sponsor of the 76ers. This is super important. I'm telling you, man. If you are into sports, you're going to see this. You're going to be exposed to this. There are going to be more people jumping on the bandwagon. And if this thing is only 41 cents, don't make me go to another stock that's on somebody's shirt and let's look up a price for a sponsor and let's look at the relativity of how much that stock is worth. If you have a whole arena, forget this, I need to see my face when I say this. If you have a whole arena named after this crypto.com, you have other teams getting sponsorship by it. You can look on here also. They have sponsorship for UFC. Let me see. Where we at? Where we at? Yeah. Here we are. Because Lord knows, I ain't going to lie to you, right? They got stake in UFC, soccer leagues. It's multiple ways that this thing is going to be accepted, man. This is on CNBC. You got Acorn, all these different things, man. This is something that is super dope and it's super easy to get in. You got Formula One racing. What else we got here? Major League Baseball signed multi-year deal. You got the Trailblazers, the Storm X, all these different teams. The Golden State Warriors. Come on, man. So this is something that isn't going to be just inclusive to one team. This is going to be something that's going to be worldwide accepted. Like the same way Nike is. Like the same way, like, you know, like what other things you can think of? Like Jordan Brand. So, man, this is an easy way for you to get some money, man. This thing is only 41 cents. And they got 20 years for you to make your money back. You can leave this to your kids, man. 20 years stake. So, this is Sell Stocks Not Dope here every Sunday at 8 o'clock p.m. Ish, wait a minute. Let's see if we got anything to say to anybody before we slide. Last time I didn't do that. If not, it's all good. I understand the football game was on. It was lit. You know what I mean? GOAT. Shout out my man Reese, man. Make sure y'all go check out my man's new project he just dropped, man. Young Reese dude, man. He got a real dope project, man. He can get really good reviews, man. Like I say, sound like Lloyd Banks, man. You know what I mean? Like, check it out for yourself, man. But thank y'all for tuning in, man. The Sell Stock's Not Dope. Every Sunday, 8 o'clock p.m. It's your man, it's your boy, Dash Resource, man. Welcome to the cool table. Look out for that metaverse class coming. Me and your boy, Stacker Smed. It's going to be for you to make some easy money the same way I do it, but I'm going to put it together, make the whole cake at least an hour, man. Love y'all, man. Stay safe and dangerous. Now it's on there.